Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mamaboiskitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today on Mamaboi's menu, we'll be making boiled curry potatoes. This recipe, guys, is so easy to make and is so delicious. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. To start, we're gonna cut the potatoes in half. They are already peeled and washed. Next, put the potatoes in a medium saucepan. Fill the pan with enough water to cover the potatoes. Then add salt and curry. Bring water to a boil and cook potatoes for 10 to 12 minutes until fork tender. Meanwhile, while the potatoes are cooking, we're gonna go ahead and melt the butter. After 12 minutes, remove the potatoes from the stove, drain the water and place them in the baking dish. Then drizzle with the melted butter and cook under broiler for 10 minutes. I just pulled out the potatoes from the oven, sprinkle parsley, and there you have it, guys. Easy, delicious boiled curry potatoes. I hope you will try this recipe, and if you do, please leave a comment down below so we know how it turned out for you. Don't forget to like the video, to subscribe, and to hit that notification bell so we stay connected. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my honey. Bye, my honeys. Always have faith. Believe in yourself. No matter where life leads you, don't stop until you achieve your dreams. And remember, never ever give up.